Hello everyone. Happy May 30th. Today we celebrate creativity, nature, and refreshing traditions. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming next month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Creativity Day. A day to embrace imagination and artistic expression. A perfect gift could be creative supplies, a personalized art kit, or an inspiring book about creativity. How do you express your creativity? Let's get inspired and share in the comments. Next, it's National Water a Flower Day. A simple reminder to care for nature. A thoughtful gift could be flower seeds, watering cans, or a subscription to a plant delivery service. What's your favorite flower? Share in the comments. Let's appreciate nature together. Before our last event, are you enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Mint Julep Day. A day to enjoy this classic, refreshing drink. A great gift could be cocktail kits, fresh mint plants, or a beautiful set of drinkware. Have you ever tried a homemade mint julep? Share in the comments and let's explore flavors. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for June 6th to 10th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll be back tomorrow with more celebrations and unique holidays. Stay awesome!